Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable home screen rotate to landscape mode on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. In the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Then we swipe up to go down. And in here, we're going to tap on home screen. Now swipe up to go down to the last option and tap on rotate to landscape mode. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now if this is switch on, then on your home screen you'll be able to rotate to landscape mode. Now this settings only applied to the home screen, and you will also need to turn on screen rotation for this to work. If you turn off screen rotation, then it will not work. Now you can see here if I try to turn around, this button allows you to manually turn it to landscape mode, and when I turn it back to this way, you can see I'm still in landscape mode, and I can tap on this button right here to switch back. And that is the manual rotation, but you can also turn on the auto rotation as well if you want to have it automatically rotate when you turn your phone to horizontal mode or vertical mode or portrait mode. And that's it. That's how you can turn it on from the home screen setting page, and just simply tap on rotate to landscape mode. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.